Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the stages in trust in relationship. We have already seen that the trust is the foundation on which the relationship grows or the superstructure of relationship is built. But there may be a question in your mind, really there can be stages of trust and how we should know it or why we should know it. So, friends, when we are in relation, we like to impress, we like to impress, to present ourselves as better than we really are because we just want to impress our partner. But when these lies are discovered, but you know that you have been found that you have betrayed him, and betrayal does more damages to both people than honesty would have. So, if seed of trust is not planted effectively in the beginning, it will grow a weed of mistrust and betrayal. We either trust other people too easily or withhold from trust. So, trusting removes suspicion. Our level of trust should directly correspond to our experience with a person going through 4 stages. So, you only can decide which stages you are passing through in your relationship. So, first is a neutral trust. See, as the name itself says, it's a neutral trust. You find person cool with positive qualities, do not merit trust. It is liking or appeal with trust. You just like, maybe beautiful or attractive, or it is better to have a neutral trust than to trust someone for wrong reasons or trust them blindly because it is accepting them as they are. Second is contractual trust. It is a quid pro quo, friends, of relationship. This trust is very useful. Most of us share this type of trust with majority of the people, but we are expecting more from someone who is only showing you contractual trust is premature at best and dangerous at worst. So, in short, you have to expect within your boundaries. Don't expect too much. The third stage is mutual trust. Contractual trust reaches a high level when you help someone expecting same from them, maybe in future, may not be in the present. Then this stage is derived from goodness, where we act with goodness, positivity and peace. This is a very good type of friendship or trust because it requires commitment, it requires patience. The fourth stage is pure trust. The highest level of trust is pure goodness. Whatever happens, you will have one another back. That is, every time you can look for him whenever you need him, whenever you feel that you are in trouble, he or she is always there. That is in thick and thin that together. And I think this is the best type of relationship. These are the stages everybody has to go through it. 1, 2, 3, and the last is 4. That is the point of achievement which we want to achieve in our relationship. But once we know which stages we are passing through in a relationship, in trust, it is very easy for us to understand each other and grow together. Because according to me, relationship has to be very beautiful. It should give peace, tranquility, happiness, and it should fill your life with joy. So, better to understand the foundation of relationship, friend. So, I am sure you would have liked my video. Thank you.